他们已经在上去吗？他们已经在 board。
我不知道啊。
It wasn't ready. No.
It's too early for this?
No.
Field trip, guys. These are for the people who have OCDs. Too excited for your sorry ass. Beep 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 beep. Take it.
Awesome. But I feel like toasted. Yeah. Kind of like.
A lot of sand.
Oh.
Hi, Mongoloid people.
Hello. Na 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 na. We made it. Hey. This way.
Hey, buongiorno. No, it's not
Maybe.
buongiorno anymore. Cover your, it's PG-13. Cover your boobs. Good. Ah! Whoa.
Is it recording? Yeah. So why?
So I get to see your silly face.
Straight from Green Island. Trying to pose and kind of kill themselves at the same time. You guys, girls, you idiots. Oh, look at all.
For me, it's a good 8.
7.5.
8.
A 9?
Yeah,
All
it's
right.
very relaxing.
Competition's on. I say hey. It's Friday, Friday. Gotta get down on
Whenever daddy thinks I'm fine, they try to make me go to rehab. I say
No, no, no.
Tieni questa? Tieni.
You did a good job.
We did it. We did it.
Bellissimo.
What does it mean? It's a private bubble.
What, sparkler holder? Holder.
And the cootie, and the cootie,
Nobody. And the glory, dear somebody. It's always someone's birthday.
Buon compleanno.
Yeah,
A te.
Grass. Don't jump. We need you.
What?
The world needs you.
I know.
Wow.
But I'm on
Don't take
holiday.
off. Don't.
But I'm on holiday.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's a fresh boba from the locals.
Someone spilled their boba drinks, obviously. What's happening, guys?
Hello.
This is your Adobe. Adobe.
要点什么？
要点你。
爱上爱。
No, you scared me. It didn't happen.
Yeah, it doesn't happen. Yes.
Got in at the right time. Everybody's eating but us. You don't like the pay first policy?
No, that's the paper politics is stupid. I shouldn't be paid for some food that
I'm not going to receive for another 2 hours.
No, before receiving the food, when something was, the service was bad, the food is spoiled, whatever. It's anti-climax, anti-customer, you know?
Yeah. Agreed. Bitch, please 下次要录一集台湾旅游业很不会做生意。我们要来吐槽这件事情。
No. Blade and stuff.
变装皇帝。
变装皇帝。This is my new 4-7.
You want to join this sect?
Okay.
So this restaurant has stairway to heaven, but heaven is going up. So if we're going down now, is it stairway to hell?
Yes. Come here, let me show you the hell.
Let me show you the hell.
看，这边就是我们最著名的后国桥的门。
非请勿进哦。
那下面呢，我们的 hell 还有一群爱约的朋友。对，如果你要唱歌的话，这个是唱或是演奏。
Example.
还有这边还没有完，最重要的是，你还是可以买。
What an amazing thing, huh? Fire. Wow.
Can you see my halo?
Yes.
Hello.
You're an angel.
I have a big ass halo. Because I'm an angel.
And it sparkles. You're special.
Having fun. Saturday is gone so fast. Don't worry, no less.
This rock has more hair than you.
I know. Are you comfortable now?
Yes, better.
Are you sure?
Yes. I am.
You're sliding. I can see you sliding. You're coming closer to the camera as we speak. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. Making a video. Next video. Basta.
I have.
Okay.
I'm wearing it. It's a good day to be alive. Secret spot. There's nobody but us.
And now I am a dog. And now I am an otter.
Just the two of us.
Wilson.
Wilson is here.
Wilson.
But hey, Wilson is Tanner here, eh?
He's local.
Ah.
It's like the treats we buy for family.
It's dehydrated stuff, so.
Trading cast.
You keep fooling us.
Because you guys are fucking busy.
What about you?
I have one. What is it?
Oh, this one?
Inappropriate.
Inappropriate.
It's so dark.
It's a space.
Oh, it's a cave.
It's Guan Yin and cave.
Where's Guan Yin?
Guan Yin's there, here's the cave.
Oh, this is the cave?
Oh, so it's a two separate thing.
Guan Yin.
Am I supposed to put it together?
How? Photoshop together.
Tourism looks good on you.
What is Wayne?
And so it was she.
Let's talk about Guan Yin's pronoun.
What's Guan Yin's pronoun? I think it's they.
We cannot refer her as like a she,
But I think it's they.
but she's they.
Because she is non-binary and she doesn't have gender.
不知道，不知道。
Too much rice?
The rice is good, but it's too much rice.
Yeah.
Too much.
No, put it on for the record.
Stupid cosplay.
See, he's got this fucking cap on. Stop busting my balls. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, sirs. Sirs. How are you doing, mister? Other than the episodes? Episodes! Plural, okay? Episodes.
He's the angry guy. He's the one that pick up fight all the time.
I don't pick up fight.
I wasn't fighting.
I just make logic prevail.
Getting the best of both worlds. Wow, you're glistening, boo boo. Carrying me on his back. Piggyback. You okay? Why are you bleeding? So. Why are we watching, waiting for the birth of Jesus?
Well, technically the egg is the symbol of
And nobody's talking, like, why is that? It's so warm. The ocean is right there. Oh, she's scared. Oh, you think it's stupid if I try to test the water temperature? Skodawa?
Right. Let me go both.
It's hot, but it's not like, oh my god. It's really pretty out there.
It looks really small.
We're snorkeling today. Very well. Spin around, spin around. Bye bye. What do you guys think about the scuba diving?
Very
oh no,
cool.
it's not scuba diving, it's snorkeling.
It's very cool. Definitely needs more time.
Yeah. Or even deeper.
Yeah.
We could.
I think if we have more time, we can definitely go further out. One last 10 before we leave this place. So this is our hotel. Finito. My current view. Saying goodbye to this beautiful place. Bye bye lighthouse. Bye bye blue sky. Ciao.